So we are finally here in Lome Anchorage and I'm heading forward. Lome is the port where we get cheap bunker. That's why we come here just for bunkering, nothing else. We don't have any port of call, nothing here, no cargo. Just come here for a few hours, take bunkers and we go back. So I'm going forward right now to see how is it going with the anchoring. Bosun is there forward. That is our bunker barge over there, and we will be anchoring somewhere near that area. The captain has ordered to lower the port side anchor 1 meter above the water. We have started. Daljit is there over at the control panel. He's lowering the anchor. That is our port side anchor 1 meter above the water. Their bosun is applying the brakes. So done with the anchor, and now I'm going back to bridge. We'll wait here for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, depending upon how long it takes for the bunker barge to give us all the bunkering. By the time I came to bridge after my lunch, the bunker barge was already alongside and only last few lines were remaining. There is our ship's crew. They are adjusting the lines. So more or less this bunker barge is made fast to our ship. Maintaining watch on channel 1610, that is dual watch. That one is on channel 73 for the communication with the barge. Captain is downstairs in his office, so in case I need, I will call him. See a whale or dolphin over there?
What?
A whale or a dolphin? Over there, yeah. That one. Very close, yeah. One is there. Oh, where?
1334. Bunker was connected.
1334. Ah, that one. Sorry, big one, yeah. After a very long time, I saw 2 whales over there, and this is a good part about my job. That you get to see dolphins and whales on a daily basis, but when you're lucky, then you also get to see sharks around you. There's a 4th engineer standing by over there. एक बंदा हमेशा चाहिए होता है जो मैनिफोल्ड के पास रहे, ताकि इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी वो इन्फॉर्म कर सके कि इफ देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. सो वी प्रिपेयर ऑल दीज थिंग्स फॉर इमरजेंसी. ये जहाज भी यहीं पे सेल करता लगता है, क्योंकि वो कहा ना एंटी पायरेसी गार्ड्स लगा रखे हैं, डमीज. जो ये वाला बार चाहिए शिप में, ये भी आई थिंक किसी गल्फ ऑफ गुनिया में सेल करता है, इन हाई रिस्क एरिया में, बिकॉज ये जो वायर्स हैं और वो जो डमी लगा रखा है, ये इसी के लगाते हैं ताकि पायरेट अटैक ना हो. हम लोग 6 मंथ्स में एक बार बंकर करते हैं. यूजुअली जितना मैंने देखा है in my previous vessels we bunker almost every month, but यहाँ पे I think the ship is big and we have a very short run. जो voyage है वो बहुत छोटे हैं, मतलब ज़्यादा लंबी voyages नहीं है, 2 दिन 3 दिन sailing maximum, and then we are at anchorage most of the time, so I think that's why. This is the ship to ship operation. हमारा ship आया, anchor drop किया, and then we waited for this ship. Actually ये जहाज़ already था वहाँ पे, but ये हमारे alongside आया, मतलब ये आसपास कहीं anchored था. This guy came towards our vessel and then इसने भी अपनी mooring lines दी हमारे ship को, because हमारा ship anchored था. And then this vessel made vessel fast to our vessel, and then that's how. मैं आगे दिखाता हूँ lines हैं. These are the mooring lines. You can see बहुत ज़्यादा सर्जिंग हो रही है. तो 8 लाइंस फॉरवर्ड है और 8 लाइंस आफ्ट है. सॉरी 8 लाइंस, 8 या 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लाइंस फॉरवर्ड है और 9 लाइंस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आफ्ट है. मैं फॉरवर्ड स्टेशन में दिखाता हूँ हाउ द mooring अरेंजमेंट इज़ लाइक. कुछ लाइंस हम भेजते हैं इनको और कुछ लाइंस ये हमें भेजते हैं. दिस इज़ आवर फॉरवर्ड स्टेशन. तो यहाँ पे हमारे सारे मूरिंग विंचेस हैं जिनसे हम लाइंस सेंड करते हैं. ऐसे एक सेकेंड उधर आता हूँ. सो दैट्स हाउ वी सेंड द लाइंस. कुछ लाइंस हमारी जा रखी हैं 1 2 3 4 एंड 2 उधर से 5 6. तो ये लाइंस है एंड देन वी हैव सेंटर लाइंस लाइक दिस. यू सी 3 lines are coming like this, and then that's how we have tied that vessel over there. बाकी सारे शिप्स भी वहाँ पे एंकर्ड है. दे आर ऑल्सो सम आर वेटिंग फॉर देयर बर्थिंग प्रोस्पेक्ट्स एंड सम आर वेटिंग फॉर सेम लाइक अस फॉर bunkering. Lomé comes under a very high risk area, I mean extreme high risk area. Although we have our own armed guards and all the weapons, but we also get security from the navy of this country. ये लोग रहते हैं जहाज़ पे. They provide security to us in case of any pirate attack. These are the aft lines. So here you can see clear overview of the vessel. This is how ship to ship operations are done.